Ever wondered how your diet can affect your sleep? It's a fascinating connection that's explored in the new cookbook, Eat Better, Sleep Better, by Dr. Marie-Pierre Saint-Onge and Kat Craddock. The book puts a spotlight on how our food choices can significantly impact our sleep quality. It's not just about avoiding late-night snacks or caffeine. It goes deeper, emphasizing the importance of incorporating sleep-supporting ingredients into our meals. From high-fiber foods, nuts, seeds, and whole grains to ginger, turmeric, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, these are the foods that can help us sleep better. So it turns out, what you eat can indeed affect how well you sleep. What are the secret ingredients for a good night's sleep? Let's dive into the wisdom of the cookbook. Eat better, sleep better. High-fiber foods, nuts, seeds, whole grains, ginger, turmeric, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables are all highlighted. But why these foods? They're packed with sleep-supporting nutrients like tryptophan, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. These nutrients work in harmony to promote restful, rejuvenating sleep. Tryptophan, for instance, is a precursor to the sleep hormone melatonin, while magnesium and B vitamins have been linked to improved sleep quality. Incorporating these ingredients into your meals could be the key to better sleep. Imagine having a meal plan specifically designed to improve your sleep. This is precisely what the authors of Eat Better, Sleep Better have crafted. Their 28-day meal plan is a roadmap to enhance sleep quality, focusing on a well-rounded and nutritious diet. It's not just about what you include in your diet, but also what you avoid. Greasy foods that can disrupt sleep are off the menu. With this meal plan, you're not just eating healthier, but also sleeping better. Ready to take your palate on a global tour for better sleep? The cookbook Eat Better, Sleep Better does just that. It introduces you to a world of ingredients and dishes, each promising a diverse and healthful approach to eating. From the high-fiber foods of the Mediterranean to the sleep-supporting spices of Asia, this book serves up a global feast for better slumber. Imagine relishing a bowl of Turkish lentil soup or a plate of Mexican quinoa salad, all in the pursuit of good sleep. Good sleep could be just a dish away, no matter where in the world it comes from. Stay ahead of the curve with your daily dose of news. Subscribe now and never miss a beat.